Being able to connect your device to a safe and secure Wi-Fi network is an essential digital skill, whether you're at home, at work, or out and about. Firstly, when you're looking for a network to connect to, it's important to choose one that's trustworthy. Public Wi-Fi networks can be convenient, but they may not always be secure. Whenever possible, use networks that require a password, as this adds a layer of protection. Once you've selected a network, make sure you are entering the correct password. This helps ensure you're on the right network and not accidentally connecting to an unsecure one. Finally, remember to be mindful of where you share your sensitive information. Even on a secure network, avoid logging into bank accounts or sharing personal details on websites that don't start with HTTPS. Mastering these simple steps will help you stay connected safely, no matter where you are.